Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete watch history on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete the watch history on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings option over here just above the help and feedback. And you'll land over here where you can see the privacy and data option available for us. Tap on privacy and data, and over here at the top of the list you can find the manage watch history button available for us. Tap on the manage watch history, and when this interface appears, guys, you can see under the history section there is the delete button available for us of the watch history of the YouTube Music, and you'll be able to view all of the things which you had watched on YouTube Music over here, or listen to the YouTube Music over here with YouTube. And with that being said, guys, in order to delete the watch history on YouTube Music app, tap on the delete button over here, and you'll be able to choose the date or the time duration of the period of which you want to delete the watch history. You can say either you can delete today or a custom range of time, or delete all time depending upon your choice. Delete your watch history. I'll be tapping on the delete today for demo purpose, and you can see, guys, that has been deleted. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete watch history on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.